When you receive a settlement from a California truck accident, some parts of it will be non-taxable and don't have to be reported. Compensation for medical bills, physical pain, emotional distress, and loss of quality of life are generally not taxed, since these funds are meant to cover the hardship that victims endure from their injuries. However, other portions of your settlement are taxable, such as reimbursement for lost income or benefits while unable to work and compensation for vehicle repairs. In some cases, punitive damages may also be taxable. Knowing that some part of your truck accident settlement may be taxed is just another reason to work with a personal injury attorney like the kind you'll find at Mason Law. The experienced truck accident lawyers at Mason Law will work with you to build a strong case and negotiate with insurance companies to see you receive the best settlement for your injuries. So if you or someone you love has been the victim of a truck accident in California, call Mason Law for a free consultation and case assessment.